Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable a user account on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable a user account on Windows 10 computer, log in your computer with administrator account and right click on Start menu. Click on Computer Management. In Computer Management, click on Local Users and Groups and expand it. And now click on Users. Here I have a user U1, and now I'm going to disable this user account. Right click on the user account and click on Properties. Under General tab, you will find here some options, and here you will find an option Account is disabled, and now select the account is disabled. Now click on Apply and then click on OK, and look, the disabled sign is showing on the user icon here, and the user is disabled right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.